about I tell you a story, Poppycat? I think you're going to like this one. I call it Poppycat and the Search for Buried Treasure.
Lara, we're leaving in a few minutes.
OK, Mummy. I promise to read as fast as I can. It was a sunny day and Poppy and her friends were having a pogo stick race in the meadow. Alma was especially excited to wear her new necklace.
Hi, Egbert. Want to race with us?
No, thank you, Poppycat. I have very important stuff to do.
All right, bye.
Ooh, what's wrong, Al?
My stick seems to have lost its pogo.
No, it didn't. You're just doing it wrong.
I won!
Oops.
Congratulations, Alma.
Thank you, Mo.
Alma, what happened to your necklace?
It's right. Oh no! It's gone!
It must have fallen off in the meadow while we were racing.
But that was a genuine blue pearl necklace. It came in my cereal box. Oh, I love that necklace very much.
Alma, I know it's not a necklace, but would you like my lucky chewy bone?
No, thank you, Zuzu. I know how much you love that chewy bone. How about my new key? You could wear it around your neck. Thank you, Mo. You keep your key. It's fine. I don't need a necklace.
That's the spirit. Forget about that necklace. I'm sure someday you'll find an even better one.
Wait, that's a great idea, Owl. How about we go on an adventure to find a treasure chest full of sparkly necklaces?
Oh, you mean like buried treasure?
Yes.
Oh, can we be pirates?
Pirates? I don't think that's a good idea.
It's not. It's a fantastic idea. Lead the way, Poppy.
All right, then. We're off to find buried treasure. But first, we're going to need a sailing ship. Welcome aboard, pirates. Now, all we have to do is find the buried treasure.
How will we do that, Captain Poppy?
With this treasure map, of course. You see, this is the ocean where we are. And we want to get to this island where the treasure is buried, near a bunch of coconut trees.
Sounds very complicated.
And dangerous. Are you sure you wouldn't just rather have my key? No, thank you, Mo. I've always wanted to be a pirate.
I've been struck by a marshmallow.
Where are all these marshmallows coming from?
Surrender at once! It is I, Admiral Itchy Beard, the most scary pirate on the seas!
It's Egbert!
I know not of this Egbert. I am Admiral Itchy Beard. And this is my equally scary parrot, Longbeak Silver.
Scary indeed. Your bird is made from cardboard.
This parrot is not made of cardboard. Have a listen.
Squawk! He's a very bad pirate! Watch out!
But Egbert, we're searching for buried treasure.
Zuzu, don't tell him.
Tell me what? Nothing. You are all keeping secrets.
No, we're not, Admiral Itchy Beard. We're on our way to find a buried treasure. Why don't you come along and help us find it?
I'll take that map.
I'm afraid you have it upside down.
Real pirates read their maps upside down. Right, Longbeak?
Squawk, whatever you say, you're the smartest pirate ever.
I really cannot bear another minute of that make-believe bird.
We should be going this way.
I don't mean to tell you how to be an admiral, but according to the map, we're supposed to be going the other way.
Never mind that silly map. I know the right way to go.
Oh, very nice, Itchy. You've steered us right into the fog.
I can't see a thing. I don't know which way to go.
We have to get out of here. Quick!
We shouldn't go anywhere if we can't see.
But what about the sea monster?
Sea monster?
Yes, there once was a terrible thick fog. So thick you couldn't see very far at all.
Like this one.
Exactly like this one. When suddenly, out of the fog, came a giant sea monster. The sea monster climbed on board the ship looking for something to eat. And what do you think it ate?
Pickles?
Pudding?
Please don't say mice.
No! Pirates! It was a pirate-eating sea monster. It wanted to eat the most scary pirate ever.
Which I believe would be you. You said so yourself.
I did? I'm getting out of here!
But Egbert, don't you want to come look for buried treasure?
I think I hear my mum calling.
Well, one problem solved.
But we're still stuck in the fog.
I wish I didn't lose my necklace. Then we wouldn't be out here looking for buried treasure.
Land ho! I think.
But I don't see any land.
Wow!
There's the island!
Look! How come I'm always on the bottom of the pile?
Look! The coconut trees. That's where the treasure is buried.
You're doing a fine job there, Zuzu. Keep it up.
I hit something!
It's the treasure chest.
I'm too excited to look.
Well done, Zuzu.
Mo, tell me, are the necklaces too beautiful for words? I can't say. They're locked inside.
I'm sorry, Alma. I know how much you wanted a new necklace.
Oh, wait, I still have my key.
Alma, why don't you open it?
Oh, it's more gorgeous than I ever dreamed. Oh, thank you, Poppy Cat. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Here, you get the first one.
Oh, thank you, Alma.
Here, Zuzu, you wear this one. And Mo, you have this one. And Al, this is absolutely perfect for you.
Well, I never turned down the chance to look like a king.
Come on, everyone. Let's do a pirate dance. Ooh-ah!
So Poppy Cat and her friends put on heaps of sparkly necklaces and shiny crowns and danced under the coconut trees until their legs got tired. And when they got back to the garden, everyone thanked Poppy for the most wonderful adventure ever. And they all planned to go on another extraordinary adventure tomorrow. The end.
Lara, time to go.
Coming! That's all the story I have for you today, Poppy Cat.